All right, Richard, back at it again with another Haltech workshop feature. And today we're in Keilor East to say g'day to Frank at AllSparks.
G'day, guys.
So, Frank, tell me a bit about AllSparks. How long have you been in the game?
So we've been in the game for about 15 years. We started the business, basically me and my brother-in-law. He was an auto electrician, me being the mechanic. From there he sort of moved on, and I kept the business running. And we do all sorts of cars.
And now you've moved into the performance side of things rather than the auto elect stuff.
Exactly right. So I always loved fast cars, and got my brothers who got some really fast VLs, and sort of from there kept going, and moved into this sort of era now, which is the LS and the Barras and all the Japanese cars.
So you mentioned VLs and LSs and stuff. Looking around the shop, there's some pretty tough Commodores here. Yeah. Do you specialise in that, or is it just something that you're doing a lot of lately?
Yeah, look, that's pretty much it. We don't specialise in anything. We try to do a bit of everything. To me, performance means everything. So, but look, the LSs, we have got some really fast ones out there now, and look, at this side of town, it seems to be we seem to be the guys to go to. So. And we enjoy doing it. I love it just as much as my customers, which is, pays dividends when we go to racing, So.
And on the flip side of things, and the Blue Oval fans, of course, you said the Barra.
Yeah.
Is it something we're seeing a lot more of in Melbourne?
Look, definitely, yeah. The Barras are very big. It was sort of limited a little bit at the early stages with tuning and stuff like that, but now with the new Elite that's come out, that's opened up a huge window for us now.
You said LSs are a big thing for you now. There's 3 tough LS-powered Commodores here that have caught my eye. I'd really like to talk about this Monaro. A, it's super clean, and B, what's going on in the engine bay? That's tough.
Yeah, well, this is actually Gordon's car, my best mate's. VX GTO. It's got a LSX 433 cube that we actually built in-house. It's running a GD55 turbocharger, Edelbrock high-rise manifold, power glide, reed case, all the fruit. Haltech Elite 2500 with all the fruit in that. We're hoping to see sort of 1,000 at the wheels and out of this thing. Plus, we know we'll make 1,000. Whatever it makes from there, we'll sort of be happy with. It is potentially a street car. We will probably race it, but look, it's being a HSV, no longer available. We don't really want to damage it.
So it's really more of a tough, cool, cruisy street car with a bit of race cred as well.
Of course.
Awesome.
Exactly right. So.
Awesome. And now, moving away from the newer stuff, we've got the VK over here as well.
Yes.
Again, another LS. Mm-hmm. What's the story with that one?
Okay, so that's Brett's VK. Basically, we built that car mechanically in-house as well. At the moment, it's just got a stock LS in it for engineer purposes, but that's going to be a 440 twin turbo, probably twin precision, again, power glide, 9-inch, 4-link rear end, Elite 2500 again, all the fruit. Look, that should be sort of hopefully one of our fastest cars from the shop in the next year or so. Once we get all the engineer out the way and stuff, we're trying to sort of see a 7 out of that car. Obviously a long way to go, but we have got some combinations out there that are doing it. So
7-second street cars pushing it, man. That's nothing to try. How cool is it that we can get the old cars now, give them a new lease of life, and just keep them going, with all the new technology?
It's awesome. The E85 is just a whole new world. Basically you can just go to the servo, pump in race fuel, and run your 20 pounds of boost, and nobody it makes that much power. And they still drive good, and it's good for the environment.
Yeah. And the third car I want you to tell me a bit about is the other Commodore here. It's a VX.
VSSS. Yeah, so that's Chris's car. That car's been coming to us for about 5 years now. It's a 427 LSX, Brodex heads. That's running a Precision Pro Mod turbo on it. It's still IRS for the moment. It's got a power glide in it. That car, 2015, was actually the fastest IRS car in Australia. Ran 850, 152 on a standard GM computer on E85. Now it's got all the Haltech gear in it. So we should have a lot more boost control, a lot more data logging. It's made a fair bit more power now, but we'll see once we go to the track. It doesn't always equate when it's on the dyno, but it's look.
So the timestamps never lie.
Exactly right. Look, 172, the car sort of has to be making around the 1200. Never showed that on the chassis dyno, but look, we were happy to take that, and obviously got with the times now, and made the car a bit more safer, a better roll cage in it, and all the safety gear, parachute, and all that stuff.
So that's three tough Commodores here. Holden's a thing for you? Have you always been a Holden guy?
Yeah, look, Holden's been in the family for a long time. My brothers, my sister, my dad, everyone. So, look, Fords are a big thing for us now, especially with the Barras, only because, I guess the new V8 turbo, come out with a massive turbo on them factory, and they make awesome power for very minimal mods, But, yeah, look, if it goes fast, I love it.
And talking about, obviously you've got the chassis dyno here. You do all of your own tuning in-house?
I do, mate, I do, yep. My own, plus a lot of other workshops around. Like I said, the business started off as just a normal mechanical shop, but now potentially we do a heap of dynoing, tuning. I still do a lot of engines, but for certain people now, potentially this is what we do now.
Just focus on the tuning.
Yeah, that's it. Obviously on the dyno and at the track as well. So we do a lot of team viewer stuff. For people interstate as well.
Oh wow!
We can
So you actually, with the technology, you can go over the internet and tune live.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's really cool.
We've got a couple of guys that compete in drag challenge, and that helps them a lot because I can't always go. So that's definitely helped us over the years, to be competitive and get the cars spot on.
Well, Frank, thanks for having us here at AllSparks.
Thanks, Richard.
Guys, that's another Haltech workshop feature. Remember, if you've got a workshop and you're doing some cool stuff with Haltech, we'd love to come and see it. So shoot us an email or contact us via the website. My name's Richard. We'll see you next time.